up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to open up one pack today. Cross your fingers for a signed card. Let's get started.
Or a relic.
Or a relic, yeah. We all know there's special stuff in the back. So.
What kind of cards are they? Tops?
Tops, yeah, tops.
Let's see what we got here. Brandon Belt. Who's these guys?
Those are...
Oh, that's Story.
Yeah, that's the guy that had cancer.
Yeah.
AJ Pro.
Yeah, Pollock.
Josh Hader. Reds.
Group of Reds. Group of who?
White
White
Sox.
Sox. Keegan Aiken. This is Craig Kimball.
Brewers. Bob Naylor.
We have that. We have a signed card.
Yeah. No, relic.
Oh, relic. Alex Bregman.
Bregman.
Victor. Who's this? James Outman.
Ooh.
Jake Berger. Who's this?
The Tigers.
Tigers. Oh, there it is. Stars of MLB. Who is that? Michael Harris.
Yeah.
That's the relic card. Nice.
Okay, so we got the Tigers and Mike Harris. So
As a relic.
So, bye guys.